In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Webflow form and automate generating a PDF from the submitted data. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to design your Webflow form with the necessary fields that will house the data you want to carry over into your PDF. Take a moment to consider what information is crucial for you. Once your form is designed, go ahead and ensure it's published and accessible. This is vital, because the form needs to be live for us to grab the submissions. Now that your form is ready, it's time to create a Zapier Zap. If you haven't logged into your Zapier account, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, start by creating a new Zap. Here comes an important part: choosing the right app for your trigger. Since we're working with Webflow, make sure to select Webflow as your trigger app. Then choose New Form Submission as your trigger event. This setup will allow Zapier to monitor your Webflow form and notice whenever there's a new submission. Connecting your Webflow account is next. Once connected, make sure you select the specific site and form you'll be using for this task. A good practice here is to run a test trigger to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. This step verifies that Zapier can successfully retrieve data from a recent form submission. It's time to move on to the exciting part: PDF generation. Add an action step in your Zap and pick a reliable PDF generation tool. Some popular options are pdf.co and Craft My PDF. Once you've settled on the tool, select an action like Anything to PDF Converter for pdf.co or Create PDF if you're using Craft My PDF. Don't forget to connect your account for whichever tool you choose. Here we arrive at a crucial step: configuring the PDF. This is where you get to map the data from your Webflow form submission to your PDF template. If you're using pdf.co, you could provide some raw HTML code with placeholders for your Webflow data, or perhaps use a pre-designed template for ease. Meanwhile, Craft My PDF users would select a pre-made template and align the Webflow fields with the corresponding fields in the PDF template. Don't forget to specify a desired output file name for your PDF, giving it a clear and descriptive title. Now it's testing time. Run a test action to make sure that the PDF is generated correctly with all the right data mapped out. This step ensures there are no hiccups when the automation runs. Finally, you need to wrap things up. Give your Zap a descriptive name that you'll easily recognize, and then turn it on. Now, whenever a new form is submitted in Webflow, this neat little setup will automatically generate a PDF for you. That's it. You've successfully automated the process, providing a seamless and efficient workflow.